Hello guys, today I am back with one more video. So today I'll show you something insane. And here's it. I have a chainsaw with me. Yes, now I can cut trees very easily. This is the chainsaw. And if I power it up, it will start cutting. Massive. So now let's begin with the unboxing. So this is the entire kit that you get. So I purchased it from Amazon. So if I just rotate it, you will be able to see the details of this one. So the price mentioned is 2,999, so almost around 3,000. But with offers and discounts, you get it approximately for 800 rupees. So this is the entire kit that you get. It is the electric chainsaw stand. So specifically this stand is used to be with the electric grinder, the angle grinder that we have specifically. So now let me open this up and show you what all contents we get. So if I open it, so the first thing that you get out of this box is a pair of hand gloves to protect your hands while cutting down the barks of the trees. So let's keep it aside. Next is a handle that you get to attach with the angle grinder as well as the chainsaw to hold it properly while you are cutting the trees. So this is one. Next is the chain cover that you get. So this cover needs to be attached so that while the chain is rotating, nobody puts his fingers or anything goes inside it. This one. So next is we get this assembly. So this contains an oil tank inside this one. So this is a completely aluminum alloy material. So you need to plug this in. Next we get the main item, that is the chain. So this is a well lubricated chain that you see. So this is the entire chain that we get. Next is the slaw blade, so on which this chain will rotate. So this is the chainsaw blade, so 11.5 inches. So this part is going inside the angle grinder, and here the chain will rotate through its edges like this. Keep this one aside. So this is a hand protector that I will fix so that all the materials or the wood that gets thrown away while cutting the bark doesn't impact your hand. So this is the one. Next you get all the attachments, the screws, the pinions, the gears, one rubber attachment to provide the grip. This is the attachment to fix this one. So this one goes like this. So this typically the C type one. This is to be attached like this one. And rest screws, as well as you get a screwdriver as well as the hex key to fix it. And lastly you have the user manual. So this is completely a Chinese product, but all the instructions has been given in Chinese as well as in English. You can use this as a reference to connect this entire part. So I'll just keep everything aside and show you individually what I got. So this is the user manual. Next, this is the oil can and the attachment. So this is your hand guard that you get. Next, this is the handle that you get. The rest, these are the screws that you have. This is the chain that you have. These are the screws that you already have. This is the chain cover that you see, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. So this is the content of the package that you get. Now I will be quickly fixing all them together with the angle grinder and show you how it looks. So I'll make the video fast forward so that you doesn't waste time looking how to fix it. But yeah, you can pause and every instance you can look into that. So now let's have a close look how this thing exactly looks like. So these chains, you see these terminals, these chains, these are very sharp, and this entire chainsaw, you have a bearing over here, and you have the main chain going inside this one, and there's the rotatory shaft. You need to fill oil into this tank so that it continuously lubricates the chain. This is your hand protector. You need to hold it like this so that like anything doesn't struck your hand. And like this is the power on switch. So this is a angle grinder attachment, so as you know already. So as soon as I power it on, the chain starts rotating like this. And the interesting part is that right now I am in front of the camera, and handling this thing is very difficult and very risky. So I use the speed controller to control the speed, or else like you can use this one to increase the speed as well. So I'll just show you a quick demo. So if I increase it, so you can understand like how much dangerous this thing is. And now I'll just a little bit slow down to show you how the chain rotates. You see, this is how the chain rotates slowly, and automatically it will cut every wood or the tree that you want. And as soon as you give it a full power, it will rotate at a very high speed. So here are some of the pictures of the chainsaw after the assembly, so that you get an understanding like how this chainsaw will look and how things are fitted. So this is it. So this was it. So this is the chainsaw. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you wish, you can buy this chainsaw. This is of good quality and definitely very useful to cut trees. Thank you. Bye bye.